Well, my Brazilian genes have taught me over the years to find the right clothes that flatter my body and make me feel the best. I have a 70 centimeter waist at the moment and 102 centimeter hips, and that sometimes makes it really difficult to find the right clothes to wear. I absolutely love my curves, and sometimes I just want to embrace them, and I wear short dresses or tight clothes. But sometimes I just want to wear something more classic, more elegant, and that will not draw so much attention to that area. So I have narrowed down 5 tips to help you figure out what to wear if you're trying to look slimmer and you have curvy hips like me. The first one, and maybe the most important, is to accentuate your waist. That's one area that you want to bring attention to. It's so close to the hips, and you don't want the attention to go to the hips. You want it to go to your waist. When you don't do that, especially for hourglass body type, you will create this illusion of a square or rectangular shape that will simply just make you look completely boxy instead of embracing what you already have and just making this shine. One of the best ways to do that is by picking high-waisted pants or mid-waist and never low-waisted pants. The low-waisted, they are going to be so close to your hips, and that area is just going to look even bigger instead of bringing the attention to the smallest part of your body. So when you're choosing the top, for example, it's much better to go with a cropped top. And if you don't like cropped tops, I would just pick something that's not too long and you can easily tuck it in. Or even if it's French tucked, you just need to bring a little bit of attention to your waist. Tip number 2 is when you're picking the pants, go with 3 styles. These are the best ones for our bodies. They would be the boot cut, the straight leg, which is my personal favorite, or the wide leg. These will create a beautiful vertical line from your waist down. You will notice, of course, that this will be narrow around your waist and it will just follow your natural line for your hips. But instead of doing that, like tapering, like skinny jeans, these will just create this nice vertical line that will elongate you, and that's exactly what you want. The worst pants for us would be the skinny jeans, and I have nothing against skinny jeans. I, in fact, have a few in my wardrobe, and I think there are ways to trick the eye and still wear them without emphasizing your hips so much. We can get into this in another video, but the skinny jeans, they will simply be so clingy and they're going to hug everything and just draw the line exactly as your body is. If that's something that you want to emphasize, then definitely go for it. But if you're trying to look slimmer, that's not going to be the best type of pants for us. For number 3, choose something solid and preferably in a darker shade. It doesn't have to be black, but definitely darker colors for the bottoms would be the best one for us. And I would absolutely avoid loud prints, something with large prints or lots of colors. Anything that brings the attention to that area you want to avoid. What you can do if you love these details like ruffles or pockets, anything that you like, you can bring to your top. Like this top, for example, that I'm wearing, it does emphasize a lot my shoulders, and that would bring the attention to that area. You can also wear some ruffles or some other details on your top instead of your pants. So keep it simple, wear something that doesn't get everyone's attention unless, again, this is exactly what you're looking for. For jeans, for example, I would stay away from distressed jeans, those that have a lot of details or the whiskering. These create the illusion that your hips are even bigger. So if you're trying to get your hips to look bigger, that's actually a great tip. Some jeans also have pockets in the back that are strategically placed in an area to make your bum look bigger. So those companies, they know that, and they create these exactly for a certain body type. That's why it's so important to know your own, so you will be more conscious when you are purchasing a new item. Tip number 4, when you're picking your tops or jackets, whether it's a blazer or a short coat, try to get something that's either cropped and it shows your waistline, or if you don't like that, go with something that's a little bit past your hips. This way, it doesn't cut you in half. When you wear a jacket, for example, that hits the biggest part of your hips, this is something that will make you look so much bigger than you actually are, and that's going to draw the attention to that area when you could simply wear something a little bit higher or even much lower and instead just bring the attention to other areas that you prefer. I would stay away from very structured jackets, especially boxy ones, unless you're getting a blazer that's fitted. If you like structured fabrics like tweed, I would at least get something more fitted that will go with your curves and not something that would just make it so boxy that hides this area and just meets your hips and create again this rectangular shape, which is not something that's natural for you. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, and if this is your body type, that's exactly the type of clothes that you should be wearing. But this video is dedicated to people like me who have curves and are trying to just make these curves look the best. The tip number 5 is especially for ladies like me that have a shorter torso, which is choose a thin belt. I recently shared a video on belts, which is right here, so if you guys want to check that out, I have shared my entire belt collection, and choosing the right belt with the right clothes is just so important to accentuate areas that you like and just de-emphasize areas that you don't want to show. So in my case, choosing a thin belt makes a huge difference when I'm getting dressed. Another way is to go monochromatic. There's nothing better than wearing a jumpsuit or a long dress or even a two-piece set that is just in the same color, and that will elongate you, that will make you slimmer and just look really, really chic and put together. Which ones of these 5 tips did you know? Do you already use these tips? Do you have anything else that you could share with us, ladies with curves? It would be so helpful if you could drop a comment and maybe share some things that work for you and you have noticed over the years while you're getting excited about your wardrobe. We would love to hear that. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, give the thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.